Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 10, perimeter and area. In that exercise 10.2, 14th question, the question is given: what will happen to the area of rectangle? To the area of rectangle if its length and breadth are doubled. Its length and breadth are doubled. Okay, so this is the question, Amma. What will happen to the area of rectangle if its length and breadth are doubled? Now see its solution. We know this is a rectangle, this is the length of a rectangle, and this is the breadth of a rectangle. Okay, now I'm taking here, let the length and breadth of a rectangle are L and B. Okay, na? Length of a rectangle is L and breadth of a rectangle is B. If length and breadth are doubled twice, okay, na? If length is doubled, that meaning is what, Nana? 2L, okay, na? And its breadth is doubled, that is nothing but what, 2B. Now what will happen to the area? So then what is the area of a rectangle formula, Nana? What will happen to the area? So area of a rectangle is equals to that is length into breadth. Length into breadth. Area is always square units. Okay, na? Now length means length is doubled means it becomes 2L. 2 into length into breadth is doubled means that is 2B. Now clearly multiplying 2L into 2B, the product of these two terms, 2 2s are 4, L into B, LB. So we get area of a rectangle that is equals to 4 times of its original area. Is it clear? When the length and breadth of a rectangle is doubled, then what will happen in area means it is 4 times of its original area. So I want to explain this one by taking my own example. Okay, now if length is equals to 6 centimeter and breadth is equals to 2 centimeter, what is the area of a rectangle? We know that it is a rectangle, length of a rectangle and breadth of a rectangle. Simply area is equals to length into breadth square units. Okay, now area is equals to length means what I taken, that is 6 centimeter, and its breadth is 2 centimeter. 6 2s are square units means units are centimeter, square centimeter. Then area is equals to 6 2s are 12 centimeters. Is it clear? So simply this is directly the given length and breadth. Okay, now if length is doubled means what ra? Is 6 కాస్త ఏమవుతుంది, it becomes 12. Okay na, 6 doubled అయితే it's 12. Next 2 doubled means what ra? That is 4. Now see its area. Area is equals to length into breadth square units. Now area is equals to length means that is 12, breadth means 4. Okay, units are centimeter, that's why square units means square centimeter. 12 4s are, area is equals to that is 48 square centimeters. Just now we taken the length value is 6, breadth value is 2, we get area is equals to 12. Now if length is doubled means that is 12, and breadth 2 is doubled means that is 4. Then area becomes what? 48. Then how many times? We know 12 4s are 48. Otherwise 48 is divided by 12. 12 1s are 12 4s are. So 4 times of its original area. Is it clear? Now in this main only one more question. The second question. What will happen to the area of rectangle if length is doubled and breadth is tripled? Okay na? If length is doubled and breadth is tripled, okay na, then what will happen in area? Then usually just before procedure only, rectangle, the length of a rectangle is L and the breadth of a rectangle is B. Length is doubled means what ra? If length of a rectangle is doubled, that is nothing but 2 into L, 2L. Its breadth is tripled, that is nothing but 3 into B, 3B. Now area is equals to that is length into breadth square units. Okay, then area is equals to, area of a rectangle is equals to length means it is doubled, that becomes what? 2L into breadth means it becomes tripled, that is nothing but 3B. Okay, now clearly area is equals to 2 3s are 6, L into B, LB. So we can write its area is equals to 6 times of its original area. Okay na, 6 times of its original area. So again I am going to explain this concept by taking just before what we take an example. In previous question we taken length is equals to 6 centimeter and breadth is equals to 2 centimeter. We get area is equals to 12 square centimeter. Okay na? Now as per question 2, if length is doubled, that is nothing but length 6 centimeter becomes what? Length is doubled means that is 12 centimeter, and breadth is tripled and 3 times of 2, that is 6 centimeters. Now what is the area of a rectangle? Area is equals to length into breadth. Okay, now area is equals to length means that is 12 centimeter and breadth means what? That is 6 centimeter. Now area is always square units. Now 12 6 are, that is what, Nana? 72. Okay na? So then what is the new area? When the length is doubled and the breadth is tripled, we get area is equals to 72 square centimeters. Clearly we divided 72 by 12. 12 ones are 12 6 are, ante 6 times of its original area. So this is the required answer for 14th one, first one and second one. Okay. Now see next question, 15th one. What will happen to the area of a square? 15th one. What will happen to the area of a square? To the area of a square if its side is doubled. Okay na? What will happen to the area of a square if its side is doubled? Now we know this is a square. A side of a square is what, Nana? That is, I am taking A. You know, in a square all sides are equal. What is the area of a square? Okay, if side is doubled, that becomes what? 2 into A, that is equals to 2A. Okay, the side of a square is A, it is doubled means 2 of A, that is nothing but 2A. Area is equals to what? Area of a square is equals to, that is side into side square units. Now side means that is actually A, it doubled means what? 2A. So 2A into 2A square units, then 2 2s are 4, A into A square. So when the side of a square is doubled, its area is equals to 4 times of its original area. 4A square means what? Actually side A, its area A into A square. So ikkada 4A square vachindi kada. So that's why 4 into A square means 4 times of its original area. So you take in the place of A any side. Okay na? Then find the area. Then after you double the side and try it. What happened? Okay na? So this is the required answer for this question. Thank you.